Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to put overlay to a video in CapCut. So here what you need to do is import your clips to CapCut, and basically you can add anything to CapCut as overlay. You can add image or videos or maybe your own logo as an overlay. So here I'm going to show you how to add a video overlay. So click on overlay, add overlay, and choose the video that you want to add as the overlay. So for example, I want to add this video. So you can see the overlay video is in landscape while the main video is in portrait. You can just change it, you can adjust it by rotate the overlay like this and adjust the size until it fits to the main video like this. And to edit the main video to become visible, just click on splice, and here you can choose overlay and adjust the overlay like this, or you can also choose lighten or darken like this and adjust it like so. I'm going to just darken and adjust it to 30. Click on the check icon, and now the video will look like this. It will have the overlay effect that I added. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think the video is helpful, don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.